Apple Splash from the outside, rushing up is Dayang Dayang. Dazzling Cat down on the inside, alongside is Lake Manila. Played again, also there. Then comes Papillon, Lovely Tara, Sir Benjo, Federal Court, while 1A, Yotero is the early trailer. Dayang Dayang by ahead, Lake Manila from the outside, and racing in third by Sam Tuleng's Dazzling Cat. Played again, is racing in fourth by a length and a half. Then comes Apple Splash, Papillon, Lovely Tara is racing in seventh. Rounding the far turn, Lake Manila, Dayang Dayang, Dazzling Cat. Apple Splash from the outside and played again. It's still Lake Manila, Apple Splash, Dazzling Cat, Dayang Dayang in fourth by Dural. Played again, running fifth, running in sixth, Papillon, seventh position, Lovely Tara. As they race the final corner, Lake Manila, Dayang Dayang down on the inside. Apple Splash on the further outside, Dazzling Cat in the middle, Papillon, and racing six, Lovely Tara. And nearing the finish line, Lake Manila, and Apple Splash running in second from the outside, but still Lake in Manila by 2 lengths, and finally Lake Manila, Apple Splash, Dayang Dayang, Dazzling Cat, Sir Benjo, Papillon close, 1A Yotero, 1 Lovely Tara, Federal Court, and played again, having some problem.